little kids.
Peppa Pig.
Choose a slot to use for this. Peppa and Talking Parrot. Peppa and George win a sticker for every press the squares to make a silly sentence and then touch the tick box. Polly Parrot will repeat everything. Peppa Pig is a silly chicken.
Peppa Pig is a silly chicken.
Try another one. Susie Sheep is a funny frog.
Susie Sheep is a funny frog.
Try another one. Rebecca Rabbit is a red car.
Rebecca Rabbit is a red car.
Try another one. Rebecca Rabbit is a red car.
Rebecca Rabbit is a red car.
Try another one. Rebecca Rabbit is a red car.
Rebecca Rabbit is a red car.
Try another one. Keep going. You've almost won a sticker. Rebecca Rabbit is a red car.
Rebecca Rabbit is a red car.
Try another one. Rebecca Rabbit is a red car.
Rebecca Rabbit is a red car.
Well done. You've won a sticker. Try another one. Rebecca Rabbit is a red car.
Rebecca Rabbit is a red car.
Try another one. Rebecca Rabbit is a red car.
Rebecca Rabbit is a red car.
Try another one. George is a happy pig.
George is a happy pig.
Try another one. George is a happy pig.
George is a happy pig.
Try another one. George is a happy car.
George is a happy car.
Try another one. George is a big car.
George is a big car.
Try another one. Danny Dog is a big car.
Danny Dog is a big car.
Try another one. Daddy Pig is a funny yo-yo.
Daddy Pig is a funny yo-yo.
Try another one. Keep going. You've almost won a sticker. Daddy Pig is a blue yo-yo.
Daddy Pig is a blue yo-yo.
Try another one. Daddy Pig is a blue Yo-yo.
Daddy Pig is a blue. Yo-yo.
Well done. You've won a sticker. Try another one. Are you sure? There are lots of fun games to play here. Stickers. Make a lovely picture. That looks lovely. What a smashing picture. That looks lovely.
Take a screenshot.
Are you sure? There are lots of fun games to play here. Where's Polly? Oh dear, win a sticker for every 10 times you find Polly. Move through the house and garden to find Polly. Are you sure? Try the garden. Try again. Try the garden. You've found her. Where has Polly gone this time? Try the bedroom. You found Polly. Where has Polly gone this time? You found her. Polly, where are you? Try the lounge. You found Polly. Where has Polly gone this time? Where could she be? Is she hiding in the bedroom? Try the bedroom. You've found her. Where has Polly gone this time? Try the lounge. You found Polly. Polly, where are you? Is she hiding in the bedroom? Try again. Try the bedroom. Are you sure? Try the bedroom. Try the bedroom. Where could she be? You've found her. Where has Polly gone this time? Try the garden. Try the garden. Where could she be? You found Polly. Where has Polly gone this time? Try the bathroom. You've found her. Polly, where are you? by the garden. Where could she be? Well done. You've won a sticker. You've found Polly. Are you sure? Are you sure? There are lots of fun games to feed Polly. Peppa and George love to win a sticker for every 20 correct crackers you feed.
Polly wants 3 yellow crackers.
Oops, Polly didn't get the crackers she wanted. Try again.
Polly wants 5 yellow crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 5 yellow crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 5 yellow crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 3 yellow crackers.
Keep going. You've almost won a sticker. Well done. You've won a sticker.
Polly wants more. Polly wants 3 red crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 5 yellow crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants a red cracker. Polly wants more. Polly wants a red cracker.
Oops, wrong cracker. Try again.
Polly wants a yellow cracker. Polly wants more. Polly wants 2 yellow crackers. Polly wants more.
Are you sure?
Polly wants a...
Are you sure?
Polly wants 4 crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants a cracker.
Are you sure? Are you sure? There are lots of fun games to play here. Dot to dot. Peppa and George, you can win a sticker for every picture you complete. Touch the numbers in the correct one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Well done. You've won a sticker. Well done. You're very good at counting. Are you sure? You can win a sticker for every picture you complete.
Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig.